Have you ever looked at your savings account and thought, there's got to be a better way to grow this money? Maybe you've heard about investing, but the whole thing seems complicated and intimidating. Well, what if I told you there's a platform that makes investing as easy as ordering your favorite takeout? That platform is StashAway. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing? That's for experts, right? Wrong. StashAway is designed with the everyday person in mind. No financial jargon, no complicated spreadsheets. Just a simple, efficient way to start investing. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, grab a pen and paper or open a new tab on your phone because we're about to dive into how to invest in StashAway. Understanding StashAway. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is StashAway? It's a robo-advisor platform that uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Think of it as your personal financial coach, but without the hefty fee. StashAway offers various investment plans, from conservative options for those seeking stability to aggressive plans for those looking for higher potential returns. They also have specific plans for goals like buying a house, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund. Getting started with StashAway. Now, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to sign up for a StashAway account. This process is usually straightforward and requires basic personal information. Once you've created your account, it's time to take the risk assessment. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. The risk assessment helps StashAway understand your financial goals and comfort level with risk. Based on your answers, the platform will recommend an investment plan that aligns with your needs. Funding your StashAway account. After you've chosen your investment plan, it's time to fund your account. StashAway typically offers multiple funding options, such as bank transfers or credit card payments. Choose the method that works best for you. Setting up Auto Invest, optional. One of the coolest features of StashAway is the Auto Invest option. This allows you to automatically transfer a specific amount of money from your bank account to your StashAway account on a regular basis. It's like building wealth on autopilot. Monitoring your investments. Once your money is invested, you might be wondering, what now? Well, StashAway handles the investment management for you, but it's still important to keep an eye on your portfolio. The StashAway app or website provides you with regular updates on your investment performance. Remember, investing involves risks, and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. However, StashAway's diversified approach helps to mitigate these risks. Additional tips. Start small. You don't need a huge amount of money to start investing. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. StashAway's diversified portfolios help spread the risk. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and trends, but don't let it paralyze you. Consider consulting a financial advisor. If you have complex financial goals or a high net worth, consulting a financial advisor can be beneficial. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. With platforms like StashAway, anyone can start building wealth. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your financial goals and sign up for StashAway today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.